Good morning. I'm Roger Woodruff with Guarantee RV here in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. Today we're looking at a Sunstar, a 27 PE. This is a 2018. So let's take a look at this one. Okay, it's only about 27 feet long. It's got the electric awning, push button. Love the convenience. It's got the outside TV for your evening entertainment underneath your awning by the fire. While you're out camping. Gotta love that. Look at the storage in this unit. For a short coach, it's a pretty good size storage. It does go all the way through and out the other side. Here's our fixed propane tank. You pull up to the gas station, you put fuel in it, you put your propane in it, usually right at the same time. Really convenient, nice and easy. Here's our big storage in the back that goes all the way through. Back here, we've got our 5K tow hitch. This will pull up to 5,000 pounds for the hitch. It's all pre-wired, makes it really easy. Here's our awning 4,000 watt generator, #1 generator on the market. Another nice little storage area. Yeah, the storage on this unit is incredible. This is a Winnebago product. They actually make all of their own tanks. That way they can make them any size, any shape that they need to so they can get the maximum amount of use out of their storage. Our plumbing center, all one-piece rotocast plastic. Again, a Winnebago product. Winnebago makes about 85% of everything that goes into their product. And that's the outside of the vehicle. Let's go inside. Up front, we have our Ford cockpit. This is on the Ford Triton V10 with the 6-speed transmission. It has automatic hydraulic leveling, heated electric mirrors, push button start on the generator, push button on the awning. This is truly a nice and easy push button coach. On our passenger side, we've got a nice little flip up countertop for the passenger, with outlets in there for power. Nice finished design. Here in our living room, we've got the booth dinette on the driver's side. We've got the sofa on the passenger side. That way if you have a bunch of people, you can have everybody conversing together. And if you do have a bunch of people, this coach is set up for it. We've got a drop down full-size bed over the cab area like a Class C, but this is electric that goes up and down. The sofa makes into a bed, the booth makes into a bed. In back, we've got, this is a 27-foot coach. We've got a huge bed back here. It's a full walk around. There's a TV right across from the bed. A lot of storage in the bedroom, over the bed. Nice closet, couple of nice drawers. I kind of skipped over the kitchen. I want to show you that too, because this is really neat. It's a small coach, but it has a lot of counter space with good storage. Winnebago makes all of their own components, like I said. They've got little tags on everything, so if you do need to replace a door or a drawer or something, they can bring it and ship you that part. It's really cool. Over here is our refrigerator. And right next to that is all of our command center. Our water heater, our generator, check our levels, our heating and cooling system. Nice little pantry right next to the fridge. To separate the bedroom and the bathroom from the rest of the house, we've got a sliding door here. And back here we've got the bathroom. It's a good sized shower, Toilet, sink, kind of what you expect from a bathroom. I'm Roger with Guarantee here in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. Thank you.